Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking initiative poised to redefine India's role in global trade. It's really about unlocking the immense potential of millions of Indian businesses.
We're talking about PNP Trade, an AI-powered export intelligence platform.
Right.
And, this is more than just an idea. It's a concrete proposal for the APIDA Bharti program designed to make export intelligence finally accessible and actionable for all.
So let's begin with the big picture.
Okay.
We'll outline the core challenge, the incredible opportunity that lies ahead, PNP Trade's really elegant solution, and the transformative impact it promises.
So let's start with that challenge. What is the fundamental problem PNP Trade is trying to solve?
Hmm.
It's the intelligence gap. For years, Indian exporters have navigated this labyrinth of over 20 disconnected government portals just to find basic information.
Imagine being a small entrepreneur. You have a great product, but to sell it abroad, you're lost in a sea of confusing data on tariffs, trade agreements, and shipping. This complexity disproportionately hurts MSMEs,
Right.
and they're the backbone of our economy, contributing to 48% of all exports.
It's a significant economic barrier, but when we look at the opportunity, it's truly inspiring.
Yeah.
India's exports recently touched a record $824.9 billion dollars, with a growth rate of over 6%, which far outpaces the global average. The national ambition is to reach 1 trillion in merchandise exports by 2030.
And this is exactly where PNP Trade steps in, acting as this powerful bridge over that chaotic information gap.
Okay.
The solution is a unified platform with two core products, an AI-powered export search engine and a real-time digital radar.
An AI search engine for trade? That sounds incredibly useful. Let's dive a bit deeper. How does that work?
Okay, so think of it as a Google for Indian exports, but way more intelligent. You can ask a complex question in simple terms, like what are the certification costs for shipping organic honey to the EU?
Wow.
And it instantly provides a clear, actionable answer by drawing from a massive unified knowledge base of trade agreements, tariffs, logistics, all that country-specific market data.
That alone would save countless hours. So, what does the digital radar add to this?
So if the AI search is about understanding the present,
Right.
the digital radar is about seeing the future. It's a 24/7 monitoring system. It scans global news, regulatory updates, market signals. It can alert a business or a government ministry to, say, a new trade policy in Japan or a supply chain disruption in Europe,
Mm-hmm.
giving them a crucial strategic advantage.
So it offers both reactive clarity and proactive intelligence. What other tools are built into the platform?
Well, the ecosystem is fully integrated. It has a directory of testing labs, a global calendar of trade fairs, a cost comparison tool for freight, and even a schemes finder that intelligently matches exporters with the right government loans and subsidies. It really is a one-stop shop.
The value for an exporter is obvious, but how does a platform like this empower our government agencies?
Immensely. For the government, it provides a centralized, verifiable knowledge base for the first time.
Yeah.
It enables automated 24/7 strategic intelligence for, agile policymaking. It also offers clear dashboards to measure how effective export promotion schemes are, all within a highly secure GovTech framework.
And for the entrepreneurs and the MSMEs on the ground?
For them, the impact is direct and so tangible. It drastically shortens the time to export.
Wow.
It uncovers new high-potential markets they might never have even considered. And it just demystifies the complex world of compliance so they can focus on what they do best, which is creating quality products.
An ambitious platform like that requires some robust technology. What's the architecture that makes this all possible?
The tech is absolutely cutting edge. It's built on a secure, scalable microservices architecture. So the platform ingests just vast amounts of data,
Mm.
which is then organized into a proprietary knowledge graph, On top of that sits a sophisticated AI layer using advanced models to interpret queries and provide super precise insights with multilingual support too.
So the technology is proven. What's the current status of the project?
Well, PNP Trade is an early stage startup,
Okay.
but its core AI models are already validated. They're currently running pilots with some select clients and are now focused on forging those strategic government partnerships to integrate data and really scale the platform.
And who are the leaders driving this forward?
It's a really well-rounded team. You've got Mukul Gadwal handling product and AI strategy, then Shiv Karan and Jitendra Punia bring that deep operational and export management experience, and Abhishek Malla leads the charge on the complex AI and tech. I mean, it's a team that really understands both the technology and the real-world challenges.
That's a very credible foundation.
Yeah,
And the company itself, PNP Food Tech Private Limited, is fully registered and headquartered in Gurgaon.
exactly. And their whole goal is collaboration.
Right.
They're seeking partnerships with the government for data sharing, for co-creating a national portal, and launching pilot programs in critical sectors like agriculture and gems and jewelry.
Which brings us to the ultimate goal. What is the long-term vision here?
The vision is bold to build the national export intelligence backbone for India.
Wow.
And the key metrics for success are super clear. Reduce exporter onboarding time by up to 60%, provide 24/7 alerts covering over 150 countries, and empower over 1 million MSMEs. It's all about enhancing India's economic competitiveness on a global scale.
It's a powerful vision. So what's the immediate call to action?
The next steps are very concrete and collaborative.
Okay.
They're proposing the formation of a joint working group to design a data sharing pilot, the approval for a 60 to 90-day pilot program, and then working together to define a roadmap for a national rollout. It's a clear, structured invitation to partner for progress. Now, here's a question for our listeners to think about. If a single AI-powered platform could democratize access to complex trade intelligence for one of the world's largest economies, what other traditionally closed-off sectors could be transformed next using the same model?